couldn't find any confirmed official specs for a 2026 BMW R65 production model, so this looks more like a modern revival concept or speculative release. But I've spent some time digging into what BMW is doing with its retro Boxer lineup, and I've ridden older R-Series bikes before, so here's my honest take. The R65 name carries a lot of history. Back in the day, it was BMW's lighter, more approachable Boxer twin, about 600 VTC, shaft drive, and that classic air-cooled feel. Simple, mechanical, and built for real-world riding rather than hype. Now, if BMW really brings it back in 2026, what you're likely getting is a modern classic. Same retro styling, but with updated electronics, better suspension, ABS, and a smoother, more refined Boxer engine. On the road, expect something easygoing rather than aggressive. It won't be a sport bike. It'll be about comfort, torque, and that relaxed BMW cruising feel. So, is it worth your money? That depends. If you want cutting-edge speed, probably not. But if you want character, heritage, and a bike that feels more mechanical soul than screen and sensors, then it starts to make sense. For me, that's where the R65 name still wins. It's not about power, it's about personality.